iDiski TV powered by World Sports Betting, iDiskiTimes.co.za. FNB Stadium namhlanje it's Kaizer Chiefs 1 Sekhukhune United 3 umdlalo webethu Premiership. Sekhukhune bayohlala phakathi number 1 with 16 points, belandela ke defending champions Mamelodi Sundowns with 14 points. Abadlalayo ke nabo ngomso against Marumo Gallants, umdlalo obalekile kakhulu for iqela lika Bobsit. Badlala tomorrow. Namhlanje FNB mhloba Kaizer Chiefs conceding 3. Consider kokuqala because they played 5 games bengaka concede umdlalo wabo 6 namhlanje. But coach Eric Tinkler seems like he had other ideas, and also the sniper Bradley Grobler naye had other ideas, scored 2 goals, had an assist, man of the match, well deserved. But sithetha ngomdlalo, ubone njani umdlalo mhlobo?
Yeah, Shane, ngibulise ngibulise yonke team ekhona la studio Shane.
Sure.
Yeah. Ngiyakuzwa Shane, mina nje angijabula ukungezwa ivoice yakatso ithi amakhosi for life. No, angijabuli man.
Itsho lezansi. Itsho lezansi.
Yeah, no man, indizela phansi Shane. So into engangijabulisa mangezi legend. Yeah, you understand.
Ngixolele legend. No, sekusebusuku we need to go home. I think it's all bechilo man.
Yeah, because yazi kunenye into Shane. Yazi uma ngabe ekini kungavamisile ukuma mhlawumbe i-10 la lizoma khona sometimes kuvamisile ukuthi lingama kulandelana. You understand? Sometimes lingama uthola ukuthi kunomonakalo omkhulu kakhulu eJardini. You understand? Njengoba mhlawumbe kuthethe isikhathi kungenzeki ngapha eJardini and akusho ukuthi angeke kwenzeke. So yeah man, ithi Shane ngibongise ucoach Eric Tinkler.
Yeah.
Ngiyacabanga ucoach Eric Tinkler ne technical team yakhe uMark van Heerden no Paulus Masaye. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi I game plan yabo beyihle kakhulu Shane. Ngithi ngiyayibheka lento le bawinele game ngale spine sabo lesi from kunsabatha la kule goalkeeper wabo comfortable ebholeni. Handling yakhe is good.
What a good.
Yeah, understand.
Yazi bobo uthela ngehandling.
Yeah.
Ikhona into endinoticile, I never we noticed now. After he conceded that goal, he changed his gloves zakhe. He got new gloves. And then because even that bowler, he wanted to save it. I think abefuna uyitsala but yaphunyuka ezandleni. Fortunately for Silva, he was there, finished umdlalo. But after he felt like injury, I don't know if you capel that moment, he changed his gloves or niki gloves ezinje. And then kangaphinde enze maphutha.
Yeah, no, Shane, he's a very good goalkeeper guy. Ngimbonile uyakwazi nokudlala left and right ball. Awu goalkeeper. So uyakubona ukuthi if no goalkeeper wazi ukudlala kanje, then ubuya uba nama center back akwazi ukudlala njengentwana uboy uMidupi. Unfortunately uphumile, I don't know ukuthi ulimele or babhekele sa speed ululepho bekazama ukumhlupha ngaso ukuze ukuthi balethe umdlalo ofana noLanga kule center left. Ngiyacabanga mhlawumbe but build up yambona uMidupi ukuthi he's good enyaweni, uyakwazi ukudlala, just that mhlamba ngabaleka I-primary job yokuba i-defense mhlawumbe ngalama 1v1 nale speed angasinaso. But a very good player from Kasrik, adlala nomdlali ofana noNdlovu la phakathi. Uma ungambheka uBright Ndlovu ngomunye Shane umdlali obuya I think uKruger United. Kunento ewani ngifuna ukuchazela ngayo Shane ngale province yaseMpumalanga inama defender good kakhulu uma ungabheka, especially the left footed players. IMpumalanga inawo Shane ngeke ngayinotice lento lo. Ngabuya from kubo David Nyathi, ubuye kubo badlala abafana nabo Lucas Thwala. Badlala abaningi badlala ku the big 3 and badlalile ku national team. Umayela ungene kulomdlalo weChiefs uTsepo Masilela, unomdlalo ofana noJafefe ukhona bekadlala in the middle of the park, udlalile ku Sundowns uJamal Show.
Wena ukhabangele
mina ngishango right but both. So ngikude kakhulu ku right. So baningi Shane, abo James Mayinga badlalile, abo Innocent Mdledle ungababala babe baningi Shane labadlali. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi angimangali bangibona abadlali abafana nabo club abadlala the way badlala ngakhona. Ama defender njengoba ngitshela ngithi baba good kakhulu. Mawungabheka kunomdlalo ofana noNdlovu from Chippa United, uCN Ndlovu naye. Ungambheka ukuthi badlala abazimiselayo, especially ngiyacabanga mhlambe ngalekho le development, but uyabona ukuthi banalo talent Shane. So ngichazile ngendlela uEric Tintla lethe le center back ngakhona umbekile uKhadoso namhlanje waletha intwana eziwu2 ngibona le ntwana ngapha uletha umdlalo ofana no lodlala right back ngiyacabanga ukuthi uMatsimbi lentwana idlala ngapha right. I think they did very well labadlali but uyiwine ngale spine ngitshela ngaso because uma ungabheka ama long ball awu2 A1 I think from kuye uNdlovu A1 ibiya kuliklapa then just by flick uRob ya flick in the middle of the park enye umnaro uvelile you understand so uyabona ukuthi igame uyiwine la because the two le double pivot yakhe beyadlala ngayo first half beyihlezi Shane beyinganamnyakazo special abomnari ukuthi bangaba ne stress sokuya phambili you understand into ebayenza kuqala I think bebadila nalo number 10 weKaizer Chiefs which is uSirino ukuthi anga operate lapha because uSirino u dangerous kakhulu kule position kule D-line once you allow Serino abela kule D-line
space, yeah.
You understand so but badile ngalesa space bebadlala too deep Umkhize no Dash umnari ukuthi no ningavuma bo Serino badlale kule space list because yilaba zoba ibheka uSilva akazange ayithola isupply izobuya bit either mangabe beyibuya kulela site la kalilepo I-supply yakhona because le site la kaModi balivalile uma cala khatha ini uModi abalekela uMatsimbi uzothola abo Dash la phakathi and kube difficult for bona ukuthi badlale so ilento engibona ukuthi game plan ka Eric Tintla isebenze ngalendlela leyo ukuthi guys stila ngalabantu but second half umbonile ubuyile uDash kwabamdlalo kathi sodlala offensive because sebabonile nabo ukuthi okay I think abadlali bafana nabo Serino sebaqala ukukhathala manje so ukukhathala kwabo Serino kushokona ukuthi uDash unayi license ukuthi angasa attacker ayothola umdlali ofana no bathu bani intwana igcothe number 11 uRamala uyabona uRamala Shane lentwana le technique anayo Shane le skill anaso Ramala ngiyacabanga ngomunye umdlalo obuya Kasrik I think basayina abadlali abawu4 badlala bahle kakhulu so uyambona uRamala bekadlala as a 10 bekuwumuntu ofuna ukudila noNdlovu adile nomdlalo ofana nomthetho because uyabona nabo ukuthi going forward bebangayinikeza iNix Chiefs uye mdlalo uNdlovu mhlambe lo bekazama ukuthi ufuna ukubuya but angayitholi leyo chance mhlawumbe because angeke umshiyo Ramala the way adlala ngakhona because ama winger weSikhukhuna akazange function ngalendlela umncube noMagalwa abazange ba function ngalendlela abadlali bayinkinga njengoba ngikutshela from la emuva ku goalkeeper ngale spine ukuya phambili yiba abadlala bayingozi bayithola uRobla lapha phambili very comfortable uRobla uyamazi ngefinishing ugood don't allow uRobla ukuthi athene she ungamnikezi space uRobla even kuma area ball ugood we understand so poor defense ku Kaizer Chiefs as two center back uyabona le bhola level kore icaleni uyazibuza ukuthi okay nizicommitta kanjani no2 emuntwini oyi1 kuvuleka ama space awu2 kule center back kune space kule left la khona u right back weSikhukhuni afike khona wa deliver le cross uyabona ukuthi ngesinye space besidinga khona kube ne cover unfortunately ama mistake ayenzwa defend the Chiefs goal number 2 nakhona I think it's goal number 2 leya kaMnari uyabona ukuthi ama mistake okay ulilepo uluzile la bhola but uyabona ukuthi but defender ba wide the two center back ye Chiefs I don't know ukuthi mhlambe ile pairing ekhona manje njengoba sibona abuye uBoy baqale kahle iChiefs uma ungakhumbula isizini mayisaqala the two center back nje defend iChiefs bedlala kahle enye into futhi engiyibonayo kuKaizer Chiefs ngifuna ngena nje kuye Shane before ngibuza into eziningi number 1 coach Nabi uthola iChiefs inama game I think awu3 bekungama win wonke ufikile ucoach Nabi wafika ngewin against I think Golden Arrows then from win wayehla kancane waya ku draw against Mamelodi Sundowns after I draw uthola lose namhlanje kuSikhukhuni asazi ukuthi kusasa kuzoba yini we understand so I don't know maybe ukuthi mhlawumbe badlali o ngendlela yena approach ama team ngakhona or not that fear badlali uma ngabe coach naba khona phela sometimes kuyenzeka lokho uthola ukuthi ama assistant they give abadlali freedom so I'm not saying ucoach Nabi he's a bad coach ungizwe kahle Shane ngizama ukukutshela ukuthi since abuyile kule 3 games kwenzakaleni so nokuluza umdlalo ofana noMonyane mina that is why ngithi abalandeli beKaizer Chiefs bengajabula if bajabulela uHugo Bros if angabizi inumber eningi kubadlali beKaizer Chiefs because kunamanye ama position angeke wa replace I'm not saying Frosler is not good but uyabona ukuthi uMonyane uphezulu kuka Frosler no Marco namhlanje bekangafunction ngendlela mhlawumbe afunction ngayo. So uyabona ukuthi leya injury i-right back nayo ingahle i-costile i-team efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs because we know ukuthi uMonyane uzolisebenzisa lela side la khona azofoster mhlambe i-winger le-opponent ukuthi lingahluphi going forward, you understand. So mina ngiyacabanga Shane ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs poor defense benza ama-mistake, silly mistakes, awazi ukwenza lama mistake abawenzile Shane, bazokupunish abakhroblwa mangayenza ama mistake afana nalawo bazokuphanisha because you know ukuthi abadlali abanjani abakhroblwa experience ikhona Shane. So ngiyacabanga Shane ukuthi game Chiefs izama ukuchange nakhona masaletha ama-sub kuletha bomdu aletha bovilakazi or it's because of bese icedile isikhukhuni yathi no asibanikezeni play ihafini yabo sibone ukuthi basipressa but bona babonakala baba nama-touches umdu udlale kahle kakhulu ukungena kwakhe umdu because uModi simbonile bekakhwayithe we-change game if bebathole mhlawumbe igoli lelo lathi 3-2 maybe khona bekungahle kwenzeke, you understand. So give credit Shane ku-coach Eric Tintla, ngiyacabanga wenza umsebenzi omuhle, i-game plan yakhe isebenze kakhulu Shane.
Bobusi, before sivale just 30 seconds, this new signing uKhanyisa Mayo mhlawumbe if be available namhlanje mhlawumbe would have considered something else because yazi ukuthi is a quality, is a former PSL top goal scorer but ukubuza in just 30 seconds uzawubaleka kangakanani na uKhanyisa for iKaizer Chiefs?
Shane, mina ngibona uKhanyisa Mayo uzoyinceda iKaizer Chiefs kulama strikers iKaizer Chiefs now because uyabona ukuthi iyamdinga i-target man iChiefs. Ayina i-target man. Sometimes kumele ube nomdlali owaziyo ukuthi uzodlala la eboxini because mina bengibona uLilepo kungomunye umdlali ongadlala lapha eboxini, ngibona the way angakhona physical strong kuma aerial ball uyafika and une technique uLilepo bengicabanga mina but uyabona bamdlalisa wide. So ngiyacabanga uKhanyisa Mayo njengoba ngibuza Shane ngomunye umdlali ozo-add something kuKaizer Chiefs and enye into remember abadlali uma bacompete ku position banikeza iChiefs i-team ama results. The more athola leyo chance wenza kahle ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi ngihlale kule first 11, you understand. So uma ngizohlala ku starting 11 ngizoba ngisave. So if angakori wazi kahle ukuthi ukhona umuntu ebenchini umdlali kumele angabe comfortable Shane njengoba sibona manje kunama strikers afana nabo Dupreez nayo Silva. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi uMayo uzo-add ivelo enkulu kakhulu kuKaizer Chiefs Shane njengoba umazi ukuthi uya understand nokuthi PSL idlalwa kanjani Shane. So give credit Shane, ngizophinda ngisho futhi kusikhukhuni njengoba ihlezi lapha kuyoba nzima Shane lapha phezulu, kuyoba nzima kakhulu angeke kube lula Shane njengoba ngisho angeke kube lula.
Thank you so much, Bobsit. Sikhukhune occupying i-top spot emva kobetha iKaizer Chiefs namhlanje eFNB Stadium kumdlalo weBetway Premiership game number 6. Sashekele i-24 games yonke kusekude apho kuyiwa khona. Abayaziyo ke lendlela nangomnye umafecala ngwami uyayazi ukuthi inde kangakanani na. Uyayazi ke mhlawumbe ukuthi ngexesha elithile kusakuboza kwenzeka kanjani na. I've never seen isikhukhune in this position before. Asazi ukuthi izolasta for how long for bona but so long they are doing so well and we have to give credit kubo ukuthi ba occupy i-top spot.
Ungakhohlwa Sikhukhune sina 6 points eSoweto so far.
All right.
Uthini legend? Uthi ngwabambe lamagama.
Always taking a chair. Well, it's Kukule United 3, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Thank you so much for watching iDiski TV.
Shapunjani bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafowethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.